Today we explain numerical number 4 which is based on osmotic pressure. Question 4 we write this question was asked Bihar School Examination Board 2030. Question is calculate the osmotic pressure of 5% solution of urea at 272 Kelvin. The value of R is 0.0821 liter ATM Kelvin inverse mole inverse. This question is same as question number 3, but difference only here. Question 3 here write 3 and question 4 here write 2. Both are same as, therefore we give homework and write answer 18.61 ATM. It is a homework. Next question we write question 5 is a solution containing 10 gram per liter of sucrose has an osmotic pressure of 0.66 atm at 273 Kelvin. Calculate the value of the constant R. इस क्वेश्चन में कांस्टेंट R का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. Question is a solution containing 10 gram per liter of sucrose. In the question, a small w is equal to 10 gram. Volume V is equal to 1 liter. Per liter means 1 liter. Osmotic pressure of solution is 0.66. Therefore, pi is equal to 0.66 atm. Temperature T is equal to 273 Kelvin. The value of R is equal to what? molar mass of sucrose is equal to 342 gram mole inverse. Molecular formula of sucrose is C12H20HO11. Therefore, molecular mass of sucrose is 342 gram mole inverse. Now we write formula. Formula is pi equal to W into R into T upon M into V. Therefore, we write R is equal to, these are move here, pi into M into V upon W into T. The value of pi is equal to 0.66 atm. The value of small m is 342 Kelvin. 342 Kelvin. Volume of V is equal to 1 liter. Small w is equal to 10 gram and capital T is equal to 273 Kelvin. We move a decimal point. We write next question. Next question 6 is question 6 is it is NCERT question. Question: calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1.0 gram of polymer of molar mass 185,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degrees Celsius. It is a question. Question asked, calculate the osmotic pressure in Pascal. Osmotic pressure will be Pascal. Therefore, we write phi is equal to what? A solution prepared by dissolving 1.0 gram of polymer. In the question, polymer is a solute. The mass of polymer is 1.0 gram. Therefore, we write a small w. A small w is equal to 1.0 gram. Polymer. Molar mass of polymer is 1,85,000. Therefore, we write M is equal to 1,85,000 gram mole inverse. Volume of solution is 450 ml. Therefore, we write liter and converted into liter, 1000 liter, 20 liter. Temperature T is equal to 37 plus 273. 37 degrees Celsius temperature in degrees Celsius, but capital T indicate temperature in Kelvin. Therefore, we add here 273 and converted into degree to Kelvin. Now we write formula. Formula is phi is equal to W into R into T upon M into V. But we do not write value of R. The value of R here we write in Pascal. The value of R in Pascal 8.314 into 10 to the power 3 liter Pascal, Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. Now we write the value of W 1.0. The value of R is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power 3. And the value of T is equal to 310 Kelvin. The value of M in the question 185,000 and value of V we write 9/20. It is a 1 digit, therefore we write 10. It is a 3 digit, therefore we write 1000. These are cut out and these are cut out. We multiply 925 into 9 is equal to 8325. It is the answer. Next question we write. Question 7 is an aqueous solution of galactose has osmotic pressure of 2.682 atm at 25 degrees Celsius. How many moles of galactose were dissolved per liter of the solution value of R is 0.0821 liter atm Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. It is osmotic pressure. We write pi is equal to 2.682 atm. This indicates osmotic pressure and value of pi. It is a temperature, but it is a degree Celsius. Now we convert Kelvin and add 273. The value of T is equal to 298 Kelvin. A small n is equal to what? Question asks how many moles of galactose were dissolved per liter of the solution. The value of V is equal to 1 liter. Per liter means 1 liter. The value of R is equal to 0.0821 liter atm Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. Now we write formula. Pi is equal to N into R into T upon V. It is a formula. Therefore we write N is equal to pi into V, this R into T. The value of pi is equal to 2.682 into V is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0.0821 and temperature T is equal to 298 Kelvin. In upper 3 digits and lower 4 digits, 1 digits are extra in lower, therefore we write here 10. we write 2682 into 10 upon 821 into 298. One three four 10 divided by 122 329. It is answer.